First of all, I give a thanks to SiriusXM, Netflix 93 for comedy. 3-hour drive from Columbus, Ohio to here. Provided maybe a little bit part of what I want to talk about today. Of course, you see my name is Larry Gamby. I'm white, I'm Japanese. So many of you people are now saying, oh, his father was in the military. Colonel Tate, Captain Garrett, Command Sergeant Major Wilson, Major Father, if I may, Jones. My past senior Army instructors, Major Andrew Erzik, rest in peace, Lieutenant Colonel William L. Ellis, Lieutenant Colonel and father-in-law, Lieutenant Colonel Bill Williams, Lieutenant Colonel William C. Trout, who was my TAC officer in Echo Company and the Commandant of Cadets when I was here, Captain Manny Bustos, TAC officer, E Company, alumni and attendants, along with old boys and girls, faculty and staff, the Board of Trustees and alumni board members of this great institution, Howe Military Academy. It is with a humble mind and grateful heart that I'm able to deliver the final character and leadership lecture to the 2019 Corps of Cadets at Howe. I thank all of you young men and women of the Corps. Fides et honor, faith and honor. Let derive 3 words that are the motto of Howe School, Howe Military School, Howe Military Academy. These are the words that the long blue line of Howe cadets have had woven into the fabric of their lives. They draw upon these words not only in moments of success and joy and bliss, but also in the dark halls of failure and forlorn feelings. But the joy of looking back at your memories of Howe, along with the words in your mind of faith and honor, those 3 words are able and should be able to paint over the dark shades of doubt and fear you all will encounter in your future. We've all felt those emotions in more ways than one. But life from here begins, away from Howe. On June 1st, and I can see the looks on people's faces as exams are about ready to start Tuesday, the final graduating class of Howe Military will embark on a journey of so many great experiences. Surely your parents and families have, ad nauseum, told you that, but you find out on your own, don't we all? Like the experience I have had of looking at my senior picture in the 1982 Tatler, yes, misspelled with 2 T's, the only one over 135 years, and seeing the difference in my hairline. Oh, those glasses too, oh my. Without Howe Military, my life would be so different. Opportunities would be few based on my upbringing. From 1974 to 1982, as a 10-year-old boy, I became an 18-year-old young man. Standing here with Fred, on 24 July 1974, my parents said, "You're going to need a friend." Lo and behold, I didn't know that. They just meant this, but I would make many friends at Howe. 37 years ago has passed, and now, thanks to Colonel Tate, Captain Garrett, giving me the opportunity to be able to deliver this talk to you, it's completed a full circle for me. From delivering the valedictorian speech to my classmates here in this pulpit, to speaking to you today, and not boring you too much with words, I hope, but an occasional laugh and smile, and some emotion. So what words of wisdom can I offer from my 8 years as a cadet to being a 55-year-old alumnus of Howe? Don't forget to laugh and smile. Don't take yourself too seriously. Live your life to the fullest. Make good decisions. And I take that from Mr. Tom Wilkinson, who is our children's elementary principal. They said that every day over the loudspeaker. Pick yourself up when you have fallen short. Your life is not defined by shortcomings, but how you respond to those moments. Floss daily. Brush 3 times a day. Faith and honor. Fides et honor. Remember those words. First, faith. Keep your faith in God. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in your family and friends. Second, honor. Honor your God. Honor yourself and your family. Honor your friends. You know who they are. And there will be more in the future to meet. Forgive those who have wronged you. They are waiting. And respect others. In closing, I can see people smiling already. The great military leader, General Douglas MacArthur, was asked to give an acceptance speech for an award he was received, the Sylvanus Thayer Award. Sylvanus Thayer was the 5th superintendent of the United States Military Academy at West Point. It's an award given to a West Point graduate who best exemplifies duty, honor, country. He gave this speech to the Corps of Cadets at his alma mater, West Point, on 12 May, 1962, of which I hope all of you someday can find a quiet place to sit and to read it. To some, it may bring you to tears when you think of sacrifice. As General MacArthur was leaving the hotel that morning, a doorman asked him, "Where are you going?" The doorman he replied, "West Point." The doorman replied, "It's a beautiful place. Have you been there before?" It seems so appropriate that I could draw on that part of history, being a military veteran of which I am most proud of all, and knowing where Howe is. By no means am I even in the same mention of General MacArthur's name. I did receive an award bearing his name, but to have the opportunity to speak to such an esteemed audience today, and to be able to see the future young men and women of Howe Military embark on a journey of life that will far exceed anyone's expectations. That is a priceless moment. Truly a big black check mark on that bucket list. Today marks an opportunity that I truly hold dear to my heart. A moment where I can truly say that I saw the epitome of faith and honor. The final graduating class of 2019, I salute you. The Corps of Cadets of Howe Military, I salute you. To the faculty and staff of Howe Military, I salute you. In paraphrasing on General Douglas MacArthur, and may all of us, in our final day as we cross the river to be with our most revered Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost, with our last conscious thoughts, as we march our final parade on the field of Howe and life, we will hear those 3 words beckoning us to everlasting peace, not singularly of the Corps, and the Corps, and the Corps, but of our motto, feed us at honor, feed us at honor, feed us at honor. May God bless all of you, and may all of you remember to laugh, to smile, and be grateful as I am that we were able to spend a small part of our lives at Howe Military Academy. I respectfully salute you all, the final Corps of Cadets of Howe. Thank you.